Hi, welcome to another weight loss affirmations audio. Listen to this before going to bed, as this does not have a waking up count up. You will drift into a deep sleep while programming your subconscious mind. We are going to start with taking deep breaths. We will be inhaling deeply from the nose and exhaling it out from the mouth. So let's begin now. Inhale. Exhale. Let's take the second deep breath. Let's take the third deep breath. Now come back to your normal breathing. And imagine, visualize or feel yourself at your ideal goal weight with a slimmer and fitter body. You can do that by imagining seeing yourself in a full-length mirror in front of you. So imagine yourself as fitter, slimmer, and so much more attractive as I stay quiet for a few moments. You are now receptive to all the suggestions I'm giving you for the purpose of your highest good. I would like you to repeat these suggestions loudly or in your mind after me. I love my body fully and deeply. I am grateful for this body and all the functions it does for me. I am grateful for every breath. I take more charge of my body and life. Every morning I look forward to living my day fully. I easily meet my daily weight loss goals. I am losing fat and getting leaner. I enjoy smaller portions of food. I savor the flavors of fresh fruits and salads. I am becoming confident about myself and my body with every passing day. I am full of energy and positivity. I am capable to achieve my weight loss goals easily. I am attractive. I notice positive changes in my body with every passing day. I am mentally stronger and take charge of my life. I embrace positive actions around food choices. I exercise because it makes me feel good. I am positive and happy. I am grateful for every part of my body. I appreciate my body. I am good enough. I am grateful for the comfy bed and my room. I release the stress from my mind and body now. I am getting more and more relaxed. I am drifting into a peaceful sleep. My body is getting deeply relaxed. My mind is at rest. I'm ready to fall asleep.
This is the end of this session. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this type of content. If you need more help on your law of attraction journey, please check my website for coaching. You can also get my short, straight to the point ebook on how to manifest for any level. Thank you for listening and see you very soon.